Trust is one of the most important virtues in any relationship. I would place it as the most important. Trust along with faithfulness and honesty are essential, and without it, there can be no relationship. If you are always living in doubt, it will never work. If you are the jealous type, then it will be much more difficult for you to trust anyone. You have to know yourself really well, who you are, what you want, and what you're looking for in someone. You cannot enter into a relationship and then try to change your partner. You should love them just the way they are, and this goes both ways with no expectations. But if you are the overly jealous type, it can destroy your relationship. And let's face it, you could be the most beautiful person inside and out, but if someone is prone to messing around, they will, and there is nothing you can do to stop it except leave. It's imperative that you are healthy and happy with yourself before you enter into a relationship. If you have issues and hang-ups, no one else can fix you. They will always be there unresolved until you take care of them. Bringing them into a new relationship is wrong and unfair to do to someone. It can also make it easier for them to take advantage of you when you're not right with yourself. You may not see things clearly, or you may be living in denial. If you don't trust yourself, then you can't trust anyone else. You don't own your partner, nor do they own you. You each still have your own life apart from the relationship. You must be able to trust each other, and the choices or decisions that you make about what you want out of life and from the relationship should never bring harm to it. Things you do should be enhancing it, supporting each other every step of the way.